Come here to drink milk.
But me not come here for cow.
Explain that one for me. Jamaican proverbs are more than just words. Them a part of our history, our culture, and our identity. From what sweet nanny goat to every hour of them stick a bush. But can the Jamaican people finish the sentence? We take to the streets to find out. Come here, talk. Jamaican proverbs. So I want to say how well we still intact with the culture, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to start the sentence and I want you to finish it. One cocoa.
Full basket.
What do you mean by that?
Well, should in case you might not have a lot of things, but if you add things together, you will come up with something that is suitable.
Okay. Alright, may I give you another one. When trouble take you,
Picking it short fit you.
what that mean?
Which simply means that anytime and sometime, you know, something does come up well unexpected,
Yeah.
you know, and therefore you have to try your best to solve the problem in a way.
Okay, alright.
Yes.
Alright. Come here to drink milk.
But me not come here for cow.
Explain that one for me.
Look here, which simply means that you don't have the cow for yourself, but if you are being offered the milk, you will partake of it and you'll drink a whole lot of it,
All that of it.
even though you don't have the cow for yourself.
So, me
Right.
feel like it probably more mean like,
Like
you
what?
know, you go somewhere, go work, you're not going to watch people. or
Right.
carry
You mind
tools
your
or
own
chat
business.
people.
You mind your
Yeah.
own business. Right.
Alright, Auntie,
Yes.
thank you. Yeah?
You're most welcome.
Alright. So I want to say how well we know our Jamaican proverbs.
Same.
So I'm going to start the sentence and I want you to finish it. Every hour.
I'm going to take a bush.
What do you think that means?
I mean, something is out there for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, another one. If you can't catch quacker,
you're catching shot.
what that mean?
Now, if you can't catch me, you catch somebody else for the person where you want to catch.
Okay, I'm going to ask you another one.
Uh-huh.
Now make one monkey
No, I don't know what I want.
choke you.
No, I don't know what I want. Answer.
Okay.
Honestly.
Alright, then instead of one they mean don't be fooled by an idiot.
Okay.
Alright. Bend the tree. Why?
Before it all.
Okay. Explain that one.
Yeah, man. I mean that you have to deal with like with the children now. You train them from they're young before them get old, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, so far you seem like you know what I'm going.
Yeah,
My
man.
respect.
Yeah, man. A bit time.
Jamaican proverbs. So I want to say how well people know the Jamaican proverbs. So I'm going to start a sentence and I want you to finish it. One cocoa.
Full basket.
Okay. What do you think that means?
Once you put in your work, you get through in the end.
Okay.
Something like that. Yeah.
Okay. So if you can't catch quacker,
I don't know that. I don't know
what
that.
is? You catch it what?
Shirt.
Okay. What do you think that means?
Instead of go for the person what you want, you go for something close to him.
If
instead.
you can't catch him.
Yeah.
Okay. That's not bad. Alright, let me see if I can ask you another one now from Louise Bennett. So she said, howdy and thank you.
I don't know that. Yeah.
No broke, no square. You don't know what that means.
Nah.
So basically what that means still is that if you tell somebody howdy and thank you, it don't really cost you nothing. You see me? Alright, my boy. Big up here. Jamaican proverbs. So basically I want to see how in tune Jamaicans are with the Jamaican proverb. So I'm going to start the sentence and I want to finish it for me. See it?
Okay.
Every hour.
Of them take a bush.
What do you think that means?
Every woman have them man out there somewhere.
Yeah, that is a good answer. Want it?
Can't get it.
What that mean?
And everything you've heard here over.
You sure say that to me?
Yeah, and everything was
Want it,
Can't
can't
get
get it, and get it.
can't get.
No, want it.
Yes.
What do you think that means?
And everything you see out there you want. And some people out there who want it can't get it. And who have it now get way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Alright, let me see if I can ask you another one now. We come to drink milk.
The first nigga the one.
What give you the milk? You not come,
Cow.
you not come for count?
Oh yes. When I come for cow.
Okay. What do you think that means?
To the honest truth.
You don't know.
No.
Alright, what me think that means still, say you work at a particular place, your job are really for just go to work every day and do your thing. I in a business with people, business and mix up on them thing there.
Oh.
I feel like I'm more like that. You don't think so?
Yeah, it makes sense that way.
Alright, let me ask you another one. Just spitting at the sky,
It fall right back in your face.
what that mean?
Just like how thank you that say around a level, I know everything good for people.
Okay. So that means that anything you do to people can come back to you.
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright. Jamaican Proverbs.
Yeah.
So I want to say how in tune the people them be with the culture. See? So I'm going to start the sentence and I want you to finish it. 1 cocoa.
Full basket.
What do you think that means?
Take time build yourself.
Okay.
One by one.
Yeah. Alright.
Easy.
Every O.
Every O.
Yeah. Every O.
Boy, I don't know that one day.
You don't know that one then? Alright. So that one that
Sorry.
say every O have them sticker bush. What do you think that means?
Every O of them stick a bush.
Yeah.
Um,
More time you see some girl and you say, "Cho, that girl ugly, you know, me wouldn't there with that
Oh.
girl, you know." What do you think?
she have fair things set, man.
So somebody did it for everybody.
Everybody. Is
Alright.
Body have
That one is simple. All fire stick.
old fire stick.
Yeah.
Yo, me hear it, you know, but me can't remember star. Me can't remember.
Easy for catch.
Easy to catch. Yeah.
What do you think that means?
Old fire stick. I dry it can burn.
Alright, I'm gonna explain it to you. Say two girls there right there, so Zane, one of them are your ex. Like you stand the best chance with.
The ex car she used to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when they say all fire
Easy
stick,
to catch.
understand it now. Alright, big up.
Blessings.
So Jamaican Proverbs. Zane, I want to say how in tune we are with the culture. So I'm gonna start the sentence and I want you to finish it for me. Every O.
You don't know that one day.
You don't know that one there?
No, sir. You don't know that
Okay.
one day.
Alright.
Give me one next one.
Alright. What sweet nanny goat?
I go run him belly.
I go run in belly.
Yeah.
What do you think that means?
What sweet and I go to run him belly.
Yeah.
Did that mean say yo, if a licky yo, you have to be careful where you are though.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
you get the man say?
Alright. So me ask you another one now.
Yeah.
If you can't catch quacker,
I don't know that one day at all. Me hear that one day, but I never hear I don't know him. I don't know him. I don't know
you
him.
catch me I give you a hint. You catch it,
Catching his shirt, something like
you
that.
catch it shot.
Oh, you're catching his
What do you
shirt.
think that means?
Oh. What do you think that mean now?
Yeah.
You can't catch back, you're catching his shirt. That means you said something for him then, man. You have to come in, you have to get something when you like.
Alright.
You get the man say?
No.
Yeah.
Say you want somebody have a vibes.
Yeah.
Somebody want hurt you.
Yeah.
Them can't catch you.
Yeah.
You want them a family
Yeah.
and then catch him.
Yeah.
Him them a go hurt.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's
Oh,
the reason.
oh, so
yeah.
you mean?
Yeah.
Achu.
Alright. Respect here.
Yeah, man. Alright.
So I want to see how well we know Jamaican Proverbs. So I'm going to start the sentence and I want you to finish it for me. Want it?
Can't get it.
What do you think that means?
Well, alright. I don't say no. I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
So basically, to me, what that I say is the people them who want something the most,
Yeah.
them can't get it.
You can't get
And the
it.
people them will get it, them not
They know.
appreciate it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so let me ask you another one now. Peacock hide him foot.
I don't know that one.
What the best part about peacock? A peacock. Him tail.
Tail.
Yeah.
Okay.
So peacock hide him foot. Peacock hide him foot. Listen.
And tail.
When him hear about him tail.
Yeah, about in tail.
Yeah. So a
Okay.
person I like when basically a man don't really like when you're showing weakness. Then a bossy person or a
Yes.
proud person I
Uh-huh.
like when you're showing weakness. Let me
Okay.
give you one more now, my ball. All fire stick.
All fire stick.
Yeah.
I don't know that one.
Easy for catch. What do you think that means?
Don't know. All fire stick, easy to catch.
Yeah.
Easy to catch.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to explain it to you. I'm see if you can tell. So you used to talk to one girl, see? You and her break up.
Uh-huh.
And you see her this and you see another girl over this. Which one of them you think you more forget?
More forget.
Yeah. Remember, you know, you used to deal with that one, you know.
Yeah.
But you don't know that one. So if you have to draw for you two of them, which one of them you feel like you would have get?
I don't know. The one when we didn't talk to before.
Alright. So basically that's it, I say.
Yes.
Yeah. So we just have to make sure so we tune into your culture. Because culture dead out, you know.
True.
So we have to just try to see if we can keep it alive. See it?
Yes, sir.
Respect.